Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming the project pan update for the month of February and I'm so excited. I actually did finish something, so that's nice. And yeah, so let's start in order of application. We have in the project pan two primers. I'm gonna start with the Smashbox one. This is the Photo Finish Primerizing Hydrating Primer. This will be for sure done in the month of February. Actually, I'm a bit disappointed that this is not done yet, but it will be in the month of February for sure. This is a nice primer, hydrating, but nothing special about it. So I will finish it up and not repurchase it for sure. Another one that I don't really like, it is the BB Boomer from Missha. And I have it on my skin today. It's decent, but somehow it looks a bit holographic on the skin and it smells weird. So yeah, and again, it is a more of a hydrating primer, so very basic, nothing special about it, and it's not a product that I would recommend. For foundation, we actually have a skin tint. It is this one from Essence, the Skin Tint Hydrating Natural Finish, and I have the shade 20. This is nice, but I mean, it's very affordable. So for the price, it is decent. It is good for the price. But overall, it's not my favorite foundation or something like that. In general, I learned that for foundation, blush and eyeshadows, I do like products that are higher end. I don't know why, but the drugstore doesn't know how to do those categories the best, at least in my experience. So this is okay, and I've been mixing it up with the Makeup Forever foundation because this is a darker shade and this combo is nice. I am obtaining a good shade and a better formula, so it is what it is. I have my favorite concealer in the project pan. Every day I'm using this one and I'm so happy. So this is the Hy-glam concealer from Natasha Denona. I have the shade N1. It is a very light shade for me right now, but it's okay, I can make it work. It's absolutely stunning. My favorite concealer of all times. I love it. It looks great. It covers everything. I did mark it, but in reality you are not able to see any visible progress. Next, for powder. This is a never-ending powder, really. It is the NYX HD in the shade Banana. I think in the future I'm gonna purchase this one in the mini format and just have the mini of this as my only pressed powder, because in reality I do love way more loose powder. I don't know how many months this will take. It's, like I said, a never-ending product, but for sure I'm finishing it up in the next 3 months, but it takes a bit of time. For bronzer, I have the stalk'r bronzer from Fenty, but this shade is way too light because for some reason this year I am self-tanning each week, which never happened, but I love it. This bronzer is too light, but I love it. It is a great formula, and yeah, I just need to apply cream bronzer first. I'm using the Rare Beauty one, and then putting this one on top to set everything. It looks nice. I really like that combo, but on its own is just too light. For blush, I have this one. I used it a lot, really a lot of times. I just love it. I'm not getting tired of it. It's just so stunning. This is Shellie from Benefit. I just love this shade. It looks absolutely beautiful. So love this one. It's a great powder blush. Can't recommend it enough. Next, for highlighter, I have the Baby Got Glow from Essence. Hear me out. I'm gonna consider this one as an empty because I feel like it's unfair to call this one like a declutter product, because I used it an insane amount of times, and this has only 6 months of shelf life and I did repurchase it. So that's it. I'm calling this one done. It is an empty. It is the first product that I finished in the project pan because the consistency is different. It's not like a gel texture anymore, it's more watery, so it did change. So because of that, it is going bad, so I'm calling it done. Next, let me show you what I'm gonna replace it with. Actually, I'm gonna put back into the project pan the Flecks powder highlighter from BH Cosmetics. I have it on the cheeks today. It's my favorite, so it is just my favorite powder highlighter. It's so beautiful, and this shade is so well done, really. I'm so sad that the BH Cosmetics is not releasing stuff. It's just a great brand overall. And if you are seeing this sticker in here, I'm gonna put 30 uses for this one in particular, so that's the reason I didn't show you a close-up. You will not see any progress with this one, so I already know I'm not gonna hit pan. Next, let's talk about lip liner, and obviously I'm done with this one as well. This is the Nabla, I don't even know, I'm gonna put it down below. It is the shade 1.5. It is the close-up lip liner, I think that's the name. Absolutely love it, great formula, can't recommend enough this lip pencil. Nabla is doing incredible lip liners, incredible lip products in general, so this is a really nice one. And I'm gonna replace it with this other baby lip liner. This is the E.L.F Cream Glide lip liner. I have the shade Truth or Bear. I know that I'm gonna finish this one pretty fast because it is very creamy. It's not a long-lasting pencil. I do like it. It is very affordable and really nice. It is, I don't know, it makes the lips look so beautiful, but it's not long-lasting. That's the just sad part about it. But overall, I'm gonna finish it up pretty fast. I will enjoy it till the end, and yeah, that's my lip liner of choice. We have one lip gloss and one lipstick. I have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I didn't use it too many times, I think maybe once or twice. I need to use it more because this year I'm finishing it up. I need to finish it up. It's getting very old, and at the same time I love it, so I want to finish it up. But yeah, I need to use it more. I absolutely love it. It looks so nice on the lips, and yeah, I just need to use it. That's the only thing, because I already know that I love it. And for lip gloss, I have the NYX This Is Milky Gloss, and I did mark this one, but yeah, in reality I used it twice as well. So yeah, I'm not doing the best. I need to use it more. I think at some point I will declutter this one. I'm not gonna call it an empty, but I want to use it just maybe 2 more months or something like that, just to use it more because it's very old, but I want to enjoy it just a bit more. And yeah, but it's very hard to finish a product like this because it's pretty pigmented, so I need to apply a very tiny amount. So yeah, it takes a really long time to finish glosses like this. This is everything. I'm very happy. I did finish 2 products, and I think we will finish the powder, pretty sure, and the primer, the mini one from Smashbox for sure. Yeah, overall I'm excited, and I'm very curious if I'm mixing the foundations, if I'm gonna finish up the Makeup Forever one as well. I'm very happy with the project pan and with the progress. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you next time.